Hello kids, this is your teacher Neri. And guess what? It is our writing time! Do you want to practice writing with me?
Yeah!
If you do, teacher Neri will be proud of you. So, grab your pencil and paper now and let's begin. Hello kids, this is your teacher Neri. And guess what? Today we are going to practice how to write this letter. This letter is the letter A. Again, what is this letter?
A.
This letter is the letter A. Again, say it again.
A.
This is the big or the capital, or we can say the mama A, and on this side the small a, or we can call it as the baby A. So mama A, baby A, and these letters are the letters A. Do you know that they sound the same? They all sound as A. Again, what's the sound of these two letters? Both letters, the A letter? A. Now that you know already the letter A and its sound, it is the time now to practice writing. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Because teacher Neri is very excited. But before practicing how to write the letter A, let us first sing the A song. In 3, 2, 1.
Letter A is fun to write, really fun to write. Letter A, the first letter of the alphabet. With a sound of A. Here we go, let us write the A. Letter A is fun to write, really fun to write.
Oh, kids, thank you so much for singing along with me. Now we are very much ready to begin to practice the letter A. First, we are going to write the capital or the mama A in the air. So kids, kindly raise your hand. Let's draw a diagonal line from top going downwards to the left. Diagonal line to the left. Diagonal line to the right. Then let's connect the two diagonal line by a horizontal line. Let's try again. Diagonal line to the left. Diagonal line to the right. Then let's connect the two diagonal line using a horizontal line. Let's try another one. Diagonal line to the left. Diagonal line to the right. Then connect again the two diagonal line using a horizontal line. This time, let's use paper with lines. So grab your paper and pencil now. If you are not ready or you missed something, you can always pause the video and then go back again. The diagonal line should be written from blue line at the top going down to the other blue line at the bottom. The horizontal line should be written on the red line. Diagonal line to the left, diagonal line to the right. Horizontal line that connects the two diagonal line. Diagonal line to the left. Diagonal line to the right. horizontal line that connects the two diagonal lines. Let's practice once more. Diagonal line to the left, diagonal line to the right, then horizontal line that connects the two diagonal lines. Diagonal line to the left, diagonal line to the right, horizontal line that connects the two diagonal lines. Diagonal line to the left and diagonal line to the right. And of course, the horizontal line that connects the two diagonal lines. Diagonal line to the left, diagonal line to the right, then the horizontal line that connects them. And the last letter for capital, big or Mama A. Now let's practice writing the small or the baby A. Once again, raise your hand because we are going to write the small or the baby A in the air. Curve line to the left. Take it easy, just move your fingers slowly. Then draw a straight vertical line from the two ends of the opening. Let's try another one. Curve line to the left. Then seal the opening with a straight vertical line. Let's practice again. Curve line to the left. Then seal the opening with a straight vertical line. What are you doing, kids? Do you find it difficult? Just practice and practice. You can do it. Curve line to the left. Then straight vertical line to seal the opening. Now it's time to practice on lined paper. Are you ready? Yeah! Always remember that a small or the baby A starts with the red line to the blue line. Don't forget, it starts from the red line. Curve line to the left, then straight vertical line. Let's proceed to the next baby A. Curve line to the left, then let us seal the opening with a straight vertical line. If you find curve line difficult, just take it easy. Just move your pencil slowly. Let's keep going, kids. I know you are just doing fine. Curve line to the left. Just move slowly, just take it easy. Then straight vertical line. Congrats, kids! We made it to the second line! Wow, we are now on the second line. Teacher Neri is very happy that we made it this far. Curve line to the left, then straight vertical line. Curve line to the left, then we are going to seal the opening with a straight vertical line. Curve line to the left, then straight vertical line. Yay! We're done practicing the small letter A or the baby A. Let's try writing the Mama A and the baby A together. This time, we are going to produce the sound of the letter as we write them. Raise your hand so we can begin writing the Mama A and the baby A in the air. Both Mama A and baby A has the sound A. Let's begin. Mama A has the sound A. The sound is A. Baby A also has the A sound. A. Say the sound louder, kids.
A.
That's it. You did a good job. Don't forget to say the sound as we write it. A. The sound is A. A. The sound is ah. Let us write more. Write and say the sound with me. A, ah. A, ah. Another one. A, the sound is ah. A, ah. Wow, you made an amazing job! Now let's write both Mama A and Baby A on paper. Ready?
Yeah!
A, ah. A, ah. A. Say the sound, kids.
Ah.
Very good. This time, you are going to say the sound as we write it. Ready?
Yeah.
A,
Ah.
A.
Ah.
Wow, again. A,
Ah.
A.
Ah.
Congrats, kids! You made it till the end. Teacher Neri is very, very happy. Always remember that practice makes perfect. So, keep on practicing. You can always replay this video for your practice. That's all for today, kids, and I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Once again, this is Teacher Neri, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!